Hey guys, it's Roddy from Serquest here. We're out here about to launch some fireworks. But before we do that, we're going to take a minute to talk a little bit about firework safety. You'll notice right away that this is an extremely long fuse. Very important, because that means you have plenty of time to get away. Because whether you have legs or not, once you light it, it is important to run away. Maybe other tool tips should be common sense. If you don't know how to shoot fireworks, don't shoot fireworks. Alright, let's do this. You ready? Okay. You're going to take this, and you're going to light it, and hopefully it stays lit, and then we're going to run away like, again, even if you have no legs, get to work. You can bleep that, right?
Yeah. Power bit. Yeah.
Alright guys, so here we go. Let's do this.
Hey, don't forget to set your GoPro up.
Oh!
It's good. That's me.
Okay guys, see how important it is to have long fuses? I'm walking all the way back and still haven't gone off. Still got time to get away. Still very important to get away. Also, if you're using the GoPro, just make sure you got it angled in front of the fireworks. You get the best film or digital, whatever. And everything's cool. Again, stay far away after lighting it. Okay guys, you see that these tubes aren't looking so good. They all pretty much got destroyed. But guess what? I'm safe. You know why? I was over there. Alright, well I hope we all learned a little bit about firework safety. But before we go, I would like everyone to know that we are going to be giving away a copy of Katy Perry's Teenage Dream album with the song Fireworks. So look out for that.